Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something really special to talk about. In this video I'll share with you the latest news and leaks about the upcoming iPhone 15. The iPhone 15 announcement will be in 12 September, and based on the latest news, the upcoming iPhone 15 series, for the first time, Apple will switch from the Lightning port to the USB-C port, and finally will be able to charge all our devices with SIM charger and SIM cable. Don't worry, you will not need to buy a cable. The USB cable, as usual, it comes in the box with the iPhone. The Apple will use the Thunderbolt USB-C port, which is pretty fast while transferring files between your phone and the PC, and there is a lot of stuff has been added to the iPhone 15. But first, let's see what we could have in terms of design. The iPhone 15 lineup could differ from the iPhone 14 in few big ways. If the rumors turn out to be true, Apple's next iPhone is expected to include a handful design changes that could impact everything from charging port to the display, but overall reports suggest that there could be changes in material, colors, in buttons and display. The iPhone 15 expect to get tougher build material. Based on rumors, the frame could be in titanium instead of stainless steel that used in iPhone 14, which means the iPhone 15 could be lighter than its predecessor. However, the Pro model could be $200 pricier than current flagship iPhones. And for the display, Apple may set the dynamic island to all iPhone's 15 models, not just the Pro as was the case on the iPhone 14. And for the other features, probably will be just the same, OLED panel display in HDR. But the surprise, if the rumors correct, this could be really disappointing. iPhone 15 and 15 Plus will have just 60Hz and will not be their 120Hz as the Pro models. Unfortunately, even with just 60Hz, the price could increase this year. And when it comes to the cameras, iPhone 14 already has an amazing camera. So what could iPhone to do to make iPhone 15 even better? Based on rumors, the iPhone 15 may have much better camera instead of 12 megapixel. We could see 48 megapixel camera on a regular iPhone 15, which means more clear images, especially when you zoom in. And we could see some fancy sensors that can capture more light, which means better picture quality. On 15 Pro and Pro Max, we could have more optical zoom. Based on rumors, it would be their 5x or 6x optical zoom, which could be a great upgrade. The performance, iPhone 15, 15 Plus will have same chipset Bionic 16 as its predecessor iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max. The iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max this year will be there a big upgrade. We're gonna see for the first time processor built on 3nm, which will lead to better power consumption and less hot during heavy tasking, and of course that means having more speed and more powerful performance. And in terms of battery, according to Majimbo, the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max should have 4422 mAh battery, a slightly bump over the 14 Pro Max, 4323, which is 100 mAh upgrade. However, even if the rumor is correct, that doesn't mean the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max won't have a large leap in battery life, because the upcoming chip Bionic 17 anticipated to be the most power efficiency, which means any increase in battery capacity could be a huge improvement in battery life. And probably we're gonna see some new colors this year. We expect to see black midnight, yellow, light green, and light pink and light blue. And for the other 15 Pro and Pro Max, also sharing same colors. And for the red color, could be replaced by dark blue and gold by slightly dark gray. This is just rumors and leaks, and there is still always time for Apple to surprise us with incredible new display technology and camera quality in high performance. So here what we could see on iPhone 15: titanium frame, S17 Bionic, USB-C port, no colors, in ultra thin curved bezels, in Wi-Fi 6E, and SIM card slot removed in more countries. So this was some leaks and news about the upcoming iPhone 15. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe for more. Have a good day and thank you for watching.